Welcome to NeoEnglish, a daily podcast to help you speak English about current events quickly and clearly.
Today's episode is about a short news story. Google made it easier to repair the Pixel Watch 4 and hinted at more third-party chargers.
I will give a brief summary. Then we will explain keywords and phrases with simple examples and show how to use them.
Summary first. Google announced that the Pixel Watch 4 can now be repaired, and the company explained the repair process in an interview.
Google also teased that more third-party chargers will be supported, meaning other companies could make chargers that work with the watch.
Background. Smartwatches like the Pixel Watch 4 often have small batteries and parts, so people worry if they break. Can they fix them?
For a long time, many smartwatches were hard to repair, but now Google explains how the Pixel Watch 4 is easier to fix and gives more charger options.
Now, let's explain some important words and phrases from the story, with 2 examples each and how to use them.
Word 1. Repair. To fix something that is broken or damaged. Example 1. I need to repair my phone screen. Example 2. The shop repaired the watch battery in 1 hour.
How to use repair. Say, "Can you repair this?" Or, "My laptop was repaired yesterday." Use it when something is broken and you want it fixed.
Word 2. Process. A series of steps to do something. Example 1. The repair process takes 30 minutes. Example 2. Learning English is a long process.
How to use process. You can say, "What is the process?" Or, "Follow the process step by step." It often talks about steps or instructions.
Phrase 3. Third-party charger. A charger made by a company that is not the device maker. Example 1. I bought a third-party charger for my watch. Example 2. Some third-party chargers charge faster than the original.
How to use third-party charger. Say, "Is this charger third-party?" Or, "The watch supports third-party chargers now," meaning other brands can make compatible chargers.
Word 4. Tease. To hint or give a small preview about something in the future. Example 1. The company teased a new color for the watch. Example 2. The actor teased a surprise in the next movie.
How to use tease. Use it when someone gives small information without full details. For example, they teased a new model but gave no date.
Phrase 5. Long awaited. Something many people have waited for a long time. Example 1. The long-awaited repair guide finally arrived. Example 2. Fans waited for the long-awaited update.
How to use long-awaited. Put it before a noun, like the long-awaited announcement, to show excitement or relief.
Now a short, clear explanation of the news. Google changed the design or rules so repair shops and customers can replace parts of the Pixel Watch 4.
They explained the repair process and said more charging options from other companies are coming, which is good for customers.
Why this matters? Repairs can save money, reduce waste, and let people keep their devices longer.
For example, replacing a watch battery is cheaper than buying a new watch, and a third-party charger can be less expensive or more convenient.
Another example. If you drop a watch and change the screen, a reparable design makes that repair possible and simple.
Quick tip on speaking. After hearing a word, try to make one sentence with it. For example, "I will repair my watch," or "They teased a new charger."
Story recap using the vocabulary. Google announced a long-awaited repair process for the Pixel Watch 4 and teased more third-party chargers, so users can repair or use different chargers more easily.
Vocabulary and phrases recap. Repair, process, third-party charger, tease, long-awaited. These words help you talk about tech news and events.
How to practice. Say each word aloud, make 2 simple sentences for each, and try to explain the news in your own words.
That is the NeoEnglish Daily episode, quick, clear, and practical. If you don't want to miss daily news, please subscribe to NeoEnglish.
Thank you for listening and practice the words today. Repair, process, third-party charger, tease, long-awaited. See them in real news and use them in conversation.